Hello students, welcome to Future Executive School's online classes. I am your English teacher. Today we will discuss Unit 2. Unit 2, Leo and Lily's Adventure. In this story, we read about the adventure of a cat, Leo, and a bird, Lily. This story is an adventure story. Adventure stories are usually exciting because a lot of things happen. Words, meanings. Worm. What is the meaning of worm? Keeda. A worm is a small animal that creeps. A worm is a small animal that creeps. Next word is berries. What is the meaning of berries? Bear. Berries are small sweet fruits. Berries are small sweet fruits. Next word is hunt. What is the meaning of hunt? Shikar. Animals hunt to catch food. Animals hunt to catch food. Next word is escape. What is the meaning of escape? Frar. What is the meaning of escape? Frar. Escape means to run away from danger. Escape means to run away from danger. Creep. What is the meaning of creep? Reengna. What is the meaning of creep? Reengna. Creep means to move slowly. Creep means to move slowly on the ground. Next word is fight. Next word is fight. What is the meaning of fight? Ladna. Fight means to hit. Fight means to hit. Next word is peck. What is the meaning of peck? Chonch. A bird uses its peck to eat food. A bird uses its peck to eat food. Next word is pine cone. What is the meaning of pine cone? Snowbar ka phal. A pine cone is the fruit of a pine tree. A pine cone is the fruit of a pine tree. Next word is squawk. What is the meaning of squawk? तेज आवाज निकालना. Birds squawk when they make a loud noise. Birds squawk when they make a loud noise. I hope you understand all the meanings. Learn and practice the words' meanings on your registers. Thank you so much.
Future Executive School, built on vision, values, and belief.